Namaste, Dostan. Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. AI is changing our lives in amazing ways. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is everywhere. In this essay, we'll explore the basics of AI and its incredible applications. Get ready to dive into the world of text, image, and video generation powered by AI. Whether you're a curious beginner or a tech enthusiast, this essay will be your guide. Let's unlock the secrets of AI together. So what exactly is AI? It's a term we hear a lot these days, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, AI is like teaching machines to think and learn like humans. It's about creating systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These intelligent systems can understand, analyze, and respond to information in ways that mimic human cognitive functions. Now, you might have heard of machine learning and deep learning. These are key components of AI. Think of them as branches of the AI family tree, each with its own unique role and function. Machine learning is about training machines with data to make predictions or decisions. It involves feeding large amounts of data to algorithms. Deep learning takes it a step further, using complex algorithms inspired by the human brain's neural networks. This allows for even more sophisticated data processing. Think of it this way: AI is the grand vision, machine learning is the practical approach, and deep learning is the powerful engine driving many AI breakthroughs. Together, they are shaping the future of technology. One of the most exciting areas of AI is generation. It's a field that's evolving rapidly, bringing new possibilities every day. AI can now create things that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. From art to text, the creative potential is immense. Want a poem written in the style of Shakespeare? AI can do that. It can mimic the styles of famous writers with surprising accuracy. Need a stunning image for your next project? AI tools can whip it up in seconds. The quality and detail are often indistinguishable from human-made art. How about a realistic-sounding voiceover for your video? AI has got you covered. It can generate voices that sound incredibly lifelike. From writing stories to composing music, AI generation is pushing the boundaries of creativity and automation. The future of creative work is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 4. AI tools. Aapke liye kuch khas. There's a whole universe of AI tools out there, each with its own superpowers. These tools are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and even more creative. From writing to designing, and from coding to video editing, AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work and play. Let's meet some of the most popular ones that are making waves in the tech world today. ChatGPT. This language model can write anything you ask for: emails, articles, even code. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps and is always ready to help. DALL-E 2. This image generator can create stunning visuals from simple text descriptions. Imagine turning your wildest ideas into beautiful images with just a few words. Runway ML. This platform offers a variety of AI tools for video generation and editing. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, Runway ML has something for everyone. These are just a few examples of the incredible AI tools available today. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. With the right tools and a sprinkle of creativity, you can harness the power of AI to bring your ideas to life. So, dive in, explore, and let your creativity soar with the help of these amazing AI tools. It's an exciting time to explore the world of AI. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications and mind-blowing possibilities in the future. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride.